Welcome to SuperKidsToys, where you are super! Today we're gonna be playing with Shopkins Happy Places, Happy Home. Miniature decor that turns any space into a happy place. So we're gonna be very, very happy! Now let's take everything out of that box! And here's our cute happy home. This toy only brings Puppet's section, which is really just the living room, but that's still gonna be fun, so let's check them out. And of course we want to start with Puppet. Let's see, let's take her out of here. There, hello Puppet. Wow, look at her cute little dress. Red, white, yellow. Her blue shoes, her white socks. You can take off her dress, it's like a gun, look. She has a leotard underneath, a red leotard. Oh, and she has a cute red bow on her hair. Okay, let's put this back on because it gets cold, right? So let's put the dress back on. La 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 la. Ooh, this is not as easy as I thought. Okay, here I go, here I go. And there. All dressed up now. Thank you. No problem. Let's see, what else do we have here? This is, let me see if I can take it out, a chimney. It's so cute. It's red and blue. And it even has ears on the side. Isn't that so cute? It has a tail on the back. Aww. Okay, and up next, we have these tiny, tiny pieces. Pieces of what? Pieces of wood. Oh my god, they have a cute little face with cute little eyes. There, can you see it? They're so cute. Wow, they look like hamsters. But they are wood for the chimney, for the fireplace. Yeah, super cute. I really like them. And next, what else? What else? Here we have this is where you put the wood. So those little hamsters we saw before, this is where you would put them. And this also looks like a hamster. I love hamsters, so cute. And now, ooh, here we have a cute tiny plant. Do you know what type of plant this is? It's a cactus. Oh my god, it has a cute little flower on top. Aww. And this is a pink pot. I like it. I want it for my room. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Wow, this is so small. Do you know what this is? It's a bottle of salt for tasty food. You pour it over and the food tastes delicious. In this case, it's gonna be for the popcorn. I think we have popcorn. Do you think we have popcorn? Do you think that comes up next? I think so. You were right. Here's the popcorn. Aww. Yellow popcorn because it has a lot of butter, which I love. I love butter. And he has a cute pink stripe. That's so cute. And let's see what else. Here we have a table, a coffee table. Oh, and she's like embarrassed. Look at those eyes. And the coffee table has 4 feet. Right? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, it wouldn't be able to stand up. And I think we have one more. And that is the couch. The couch for the living room. It also has a face, of course. And 4 legs, which is important. A cute little tail in the back. Oh, I love that. And what color is it? Blue. And now it's time to place everything where it belongs, in the living room. Puppet, you're here! Right on time. Do you like the living room? I love the living room. It's so happy and colorful. It is. And I know it's a little cold, so I'm gonna take one of these little wood pieces and I'm gonna put it right here in the fireplace. That way, you will be warm. Oh, thank you. It's perfect for a movie night. I have my popcorn and I'm in the couch. It's perfect. But before starting the movie night, I want to give you guys a tour of the house. Oh, but it doesn't have any furniture. That's okay. We can use our imagination. You're right. Let's start with the kitchen. What do you think would go well in here? A bed? A bathtub? A fridge? Yeah, a fridge. Okay, what about the bedroom? What do you think would go well in here? A stove? A toilet? A bed? Yeah, a bed. Now the bathroom. What should we put in here? A stove? Toys? A bathtub? Yeah, a bathtub. Well, friends, I'm glad we got to decide what we'll be putting in our house in the future. It's gonna look great. Thanks for your help. No problem, Puppet. Do you want to say goodbye to our friends? Oh, yes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Super Kids Toys, where you are super! See you next time!